Hello viewers, today we are presenting another tutorial about Canadian smoking design. Here you can see the design already, so let's see. Okay, before then I will show the design in a paper with the full measurement so that you can get a perfect shape of this design. Okay, let's see. Here you can see that I have taken some skewers first of all, where I took 3 cm length and 3 cm wide. And you can take any size of skewer depending on your dress or cushion, but standard value is 3 cm or 3.5 centimeter to get a perfect shape. I mean, you can take 3 centimeter or you can take 3.5 centimeter for the perfect shape. Here you can see that I am drawing the required skewer we need by a colored pen. Now here you can see we are coloring one skewer and dropping other one. So by this way we will draw the whole design in our fabric too. And every skewer will be the same. We are taking and also dropping. Which we are taking and also dropping will be the in same ratio. Our colored skewer and dropping skewers will be in same ratio. I think it's clear. Let's see the design on fabric. So now on the fabric. Here you can see that I drawn the design already and did it in front side of the fabric. So all the time I will suggest to use a pencil or chalk to draw the design, because otherwise it can be damage your fabric, so be careful on it. Now we will start sewing, and see, here is our starting point. So I will join all the 4 corners of the skewer and then we'll tie up tightly like this way. So follow me how I am doing the design, and by the same way we will complete the full design. I think you like this design, guys. So if you think our video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and comment us please, because your one comment is our inspiration. And please subscribe us to get more tutorials. Thanks a lot for all the supports and stay safe and healthy.